Good evening. I see the pain in your low this, and I want you the age of 60. Start by soaking your feet in warm Epsom salt water. The magnesium in Epsom salt absorb gently through the skin. Next, perform a gentle calf stretch. This simple movement triggers nitric oxide release, which widens your bones. Now apply a warm plant-based oil like sesame or mustard oil. These oils are rich in natural antioxidants. Next, elevate your legs above your heart for about 10 minutes. Gravity takes over and supports venous return. Before bed, drink half a glass of water. Even mild dehydration at night can trigger. A few sips of tart cherry juice provide natural melatonin that helps you fall into deeper sleep. Exactly. This simple ankle rotation is a powerful circulatory booster. Your ankles act like a second heart. At night, your muscles enter repair mode. But if you are over 60, you are likely lacking one crucial mineral, magnesium. The solution is simple. A small, magnesium-rich snack, like pumpkin seeds, an hour before bed. This ensures attaches. As we age, high-impact exercise our joints, especially the knees. But we must. Here is the protocol. While lying down, simply press your thigh muscles, your quadriceps, into the mattress. Hold this maximum. Our final nighttime ritual is a breakthrough in muscle regeneration. Simply applying localized heat. This is where science gets exciting. Studies show that localized heat can improve muscle protein synthesis, the key process. 10 steps are not difficult at all. It turns out that restoring leg strength is a scientific yet relaxing ritual.